All of the past 5 months of me working out have led up to this moment. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. As you can see by all of the stuff behind me, I'm doing a Christmas unboxing. This is stuff that I bought myself for Christmas. I've never been one of those people to like buy myself a Christmas gift, but this year I was like, you know what? I need new underwear, I need new bras, I need more like loungewear stuff, and so I bought myself some things from Aerie. I was due for some new stuff, let's just say that. But yeah, I have some stuff that I purchased myself, some things that companies sent me, and you know, all that fun stuff like that. First, I'm going to start with this cute little package that I accidentally opened already yesterday, but I was just so confused because I had nothing on it, and I'm like, how is this delivered to my house? But then I remembered my friend Lila, who lives near me, she dropped off something for me, and it is this gorgeous little Louis Vuitton necklace. You guys need to definitely check out her Instagram store. I will put it on the screen right here. She sells bags and, you know, Louis Vuitton necklaces like this and stuff like that, just like luxury, amazing items. So if you're into that, definitely check out her page. This is the necklace that she dropped off for me. Do you guys see this? This is a real Louis Vuitton chain, or not chain, but like the little lock that comes on the bags. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. Thank you so much, Lila, for dropping this off for me. I'm definitely going to be posting some pictures in it because it is just too beautiful not to. The next thing, I got a package from Mejuri this morning, actually. That was really exciting. Let's open her up. I feel like there's definitely a better way to have done this. So this, I'm pretty sure, is a bracelet that they sent me to post on Instagram. They've been reaching out to me recently about doing these mini, like I don't get paid for them, but they're like, can you post a picture on your Instagram in exchange for the jewelry? And honestly, their jewelry is so pretty that I just always say yes. Like I you know, I can't pass up that offer. So they sent this bracelet, Mejuri. Okay. So it's like this little chain. I think it's like a link chain or a chain link bracelet. I'm not quite sure. I have really small wrists, so I'm always concerned about bracelets, but this looks tiny. This looks like a baby bracelet. I'm just gonna wear this. I'm just gonna wear everything I get, you know, in the mail. I'm just gonna put it all on. Okay, good. Good for people with tiny wrists. Now I can have a bracelet. How cute is that? It's so dainty and beautiful, and I just feel so classy. I've never been a bracelet girl, so I love this. I love this so much, you guys. So you will probably see this on Instagram pretty soon. I always feel like Mejuri sounds like someone saying my jewelry really fast. It's like Mejuri. I feel like that's how they chose their name. But you know, don't quote me on that. Should we do Amika, ColourPop, or my Aerie birthday present? What the heck, my Aerie Christmas present to myself. I feel like we should get Aerie over with since I bought way too many things. Also, I'm one of those people who I rarely buy things for myself, I guess, like clothing wise and makeup wise. It's only like a couple times a year. And so I had a tab open, like the Aerie tab open on my laptop for probably about a full week, and every day I would just be like deleting stuff, I'd be reading more reviews, I'd be adding stuff. Like when I buy things, I'm very cautious, I guess, about how I spend my money. And so I do not remember what I got because things were going in and out of that cart for like a week straight. So this is gonna be a surprise for me. It's gonna be like Christmas, but it was supposed to be like a Christmas present to myself. So that's good. It came in so many different shipments. I did do the 10 for 30 underwear deal, which is like a steal. I'm not gonna show you the underwear because that's just like, you guys don't need to see that. Okay, I accidentally opened this yesterday. This is just like a little white bralette thingy, and I was confused because this didn't say American Eagle on it, so I was like, what is this? But it's just a little bralette, very cute. Now we get to the big one. I needed more like lounge pieces. I own lots of regular clothes like jeans, sweaters and stuff, but I'm I'm really lacking in like workout clothes and just stuff to wear around the house. I never know what to wear. Okay. Oh, I'm excited about this. So this is just a really cozy quarter zip. I'm gonna put this on. I got it in the size medium. It's just, was this like completely out of the screen? I'm sorry. But this looks so cozy. I got this just to like wear around the house, wear out. When I don't want to wear like a sweatshirt and I want to look like somewhat more put together. Oh, it's so cozy. I'm so happy. I didn't know whether to get a smaller or medium because it's like, I wanted it kind of oversized. Let's see how this looks. Yes, I'm wearing pajama pants. It is winter break, okay? Oh, I love this. This is cute. This is real cute. I'm not taking this off ever. It is so cozy. Next, I got these pocket play leggings, which looked, again, super cozy. And I really wanted to get them in black, but they didn't have the high-waisted version in black, so I went with like this deep green color. But basically, they're leggings, but they have pockets and they have this little like drawstring at the waist. This would be such a cute little outfit, you know, like running around the town, going to the grocery store, lounging around the house, editing a video. What am I doing? Then we have underwear galore. Another bralette. Oh, I got biker shorts. I forgot about that. So I used to hate this trend, honestly. I used to see girls on Instagram wearing like an oversized t-shirt, biker shorts, and some sneakers, and I was like, I don't get it. I really don't get it. But now I'm starting to get it. I'm like, okay, I see how that's cute, and I kind of wanted to like try the trend, even though where I live it's like 30 degrees. So I just got these like black biker shorts. I'm pretty sure they're high-waisted, but they're not like athletic material. They're very much so like loungewear, comfy legging material. Okay, then we have more underwear. I got so much underwear, you guys. But like I said, it was necessary. But yeah, that is what I got from Aerie. I think this is what I'm most excited about, just this comfy thing. Now let's move on to Amika. I have no idea what this is. I am an Amika ambassador, so sometimes they do send me stuff in exchange for me posting on Instagram. All of the past 5 months of me working out have led up to this moment. Oh, this is so cute. Sea buck juice. What is a sea buck? This is a cute package. Like, I'm gonna pack my lunch in this. So it's a Brooklyn Bombshell blowout spray, a touchable hairspray, a volume and texture spray, and then a dry shampoo. I love all of those products from them. My favorite probably being the dry shampoo. I am so excited about this, you guys. I don't know if ColourPop heard me in my video 2 videos ago when I said I apologize for never having new makeup because I'm really not on any like PR lists makeup wise or anything. I don't know if they heard that. They heard my cry for help, but they did reach out to me. I remember the day. It was one of my goals for 2019 actually, was to get on the ColourPop PR list because ColourPop is one of those brands that I am just a ride or die fan. Not only is the quality there, the price is just, you can't beat the price. I love, you know, how creative they are. I love how they're always launching new stuff, literally like every week it seems. They're just on top of everything and their brand is just amazing and they're like cruelty free and it's just, I love ColourPop. So I was just sitting on my couch one wintry December night watching a movie with my boyfriend and I checked my email. I was thinking, no one's gonna send me an email right now. It's midnight. But who emailed me at like 11:59? ColourPop. Actually, a girl named Tiffany from ColourPop. Thank you, Tiffany. I screamed. I think I screamed. But I was just so happy because I love ColourPop and I'm finally on a makeup PR list and I feel like I've made it. But I'm so happy. And so for my first box that they sent me, they let me pick out some items. So the things that I picked out from 43 Beauty were the Mellow Milk Mist. I think it's just like a soothing mist, but it was just calling my name and it looked like milky. I love things that, like this looks like strawberry milk, so I had to get it. Then I got the turmeric face milk from 43 Beauty because Kathleen Lights said that she likes it and whatever Kathleen Lights likes, I purchased. Then I picked out the lightweight hydrator. Did I pick this out? Oh, this is the moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. Okay, for some reason I thought it was gonna be so much bigger, but it's like this cute little moisturizer. And then the last thing I got, this is so tiny, is this Skin Hero face oil. I've never really used a face oil before, I don't think, so I'm excited to try this. And then from ColourPop, I'm so excited. Okay, I got this Pretty Fresh, what is it? Tinted moisturizer. Okay, I'm so excited because from ColourPop, I usually go for their palettes or their lip stuff. I have never tried their like complexion things, so I got this tinted moisturizer in the shade Fair 1N. My hands are so dry right now, so this is gonna look disgusting probably up close, but I'm usually the lightest or the lightest like cool tone. This looks like it'll be good. I'm so excited to try this. And then to go along with that, I did get the concealer. So this is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. ColourPop always kills it with their packaging too. Like, this is just gorgeous. This is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair 07C. That looks white. That looks so light. Am I this light? I already did my makeup today, so I can't put it on my face. Oh, yep, I'm that light. I'm definitely that light, so I feel like that'll work under my eyes, blend it out. Okay, then we got this that I've always wanted to try. This is the lip crayons, the Just a Tint lip crayons, and I picked out the shade Cutie Fruity, just like a nice little red berry color. I'll just put it on over what I have now. I really, I don't care at this point, but I will use this in a video, you know, for a more accurate swatch, of course. But this is what the color looks like. Oh, these smell so good. Okay, I really love this color. I feel like I could build it up and make it more of like a Christmassy red color, but also if you just like blot it a little bit, it will be, you know, a nice, just a tint as it says itself. So I love this. I love the idea of this. It smells amazing. It's hydrating. And then I got one of Kathleen Light's collabs with ColourPop, one of her products. It is the Pressed Powder Blush in My Sun and Stars, My Moon and Stars. My Sun and Stars, I was right the first time. But it is just this really pretty, like peachy pink kind of blush, and it has this gold shimmer in it. And it has a mirror, I didn't realize that. And then the final thing in this unboxing, we have made it to the end. I picked out a little palette from ColourPop, and I picked the Lilac You A Lot palette just because I have nothing like it, and I'm tired of neutrals these days. I'm ready for color. I just want to do all things color recently, and so I just, you know, kind of wanted to dive into that, and purples are something that I feel comfortable with when it comes to color. So it is just their typical little 9-pan palette, and time for the reveal. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited for this. I definitely want to do a look with this. It kind of reminds me of spring, but maybe I can do some sort of like winter purple twist on it. I don't know. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like these unboxing videos. I usually don't have this many packages at once. It was just because I was at college, of course, and I came home for winter break and so much stuff was sent here. I had actually more yesterday, but it was Christmas presents that I bought people, and so I wrapped those up really fast. But I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you like these unboxing type of videos, or if you want me to, now that I am on the ColourPop PR list, if you want me to do like ColourPop reviews or, you know, ColourPop videos, just let me know, any of that, or 4th Rate Beauty videos. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out all of the links down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.